All right, howdy folks. I am sick and tired of seeing this dirty old retaining wall in my videos. So we're gonna try to pressure wash it and clean it, see if we can make it look better. All right, I'm gonna be using this mold armor. It's for deck, patio, brick. I've used this on my fence before, and it works pretty good. So we'll see how it does on the brick retaining wall. I got my son Brody out here helping me, so we got an old Bayer fungus control bottle that's empty. It's a good sprayer on it, so I like to use those for spraying stuff like this. So we're gonna spray it and soak it down and let it sit for a minute. All right, so we got it sprayed on there. It says let it sit for 10 minutes, so we'll do that. We'll pressure wash it off. We may have to do a second application, so we'll see how it goes. All right, as always, we're using the Ryobi electric pressure washer. I've done several videos on it. 1600 PSI. I understand it's not very powerful, but it does a pretty good job for what we need to do. All right, so it's the next day, and you can definitely tell a difference. It looks a lot better. This is an old wall. It hadn't been cleaned in years, but this is we sprayed it a couple of times with the cleaner and then used a pressure washer. Probably could do it again, but just from those 2 or 3 times, it looks a lot brighter and looks a lot better, especially with the landscape we have above it. The positives, it looks better. The negatives now, it makes the driveway look even worse. So the positive of that is I get to pressure wash that. I enjoy that kind of stuff. So I guess we'll be pressure washing the driveway, dadgummit.